This is your instructional video for Tuesday, June 2nd. So let's go ahead and get right into that learning goal. Your learning goal today is that you can explain the connection of the age of exploration on the colonization and the slave trade. So basically, Europeans are going to start to colonize. What does the word colonize mean? It means that they're going to go into different territories. They're going to take them over. They're going to put their own people are going to be in there in control. And they're also going to start to have a slave trade going on as well. But you need to know the connection between the age of exploration and these two things. So how do they connect? Why do they connect? What's the significance there? You clicked on here to get to this video. You have an assessment to do and 45 minutes. So you're going to click on the bookmark. The work, again, it's pretty simple work today. It's reading images that you should look at. Where are these people going? Look at the countries. This is France, Spain, Portugal, England, Russia. And where were they going? Take a look. Remember, when you take over another country like that, you're colonizing them, all right? So please notice where that's happening. And then you're going to answer these questions, all right? So the reading, the map, and these questions. Then you're going to go down, you're going to look at the slave trade. So obviously, once they start colonizing here, they're going to open up a slave trade. So they need individuals to work this land is what they're going to do. They're not going to do it because they feel like, you know what, we're running our own countries. We'll have other people do it. But the Native American tribes that were in the Americas were simply dying. I mean, you remember our last lesson here where the decimation of the Native Americans, their population was just being destroyed because of all the diseases that were coming in. So the Native Americans would not have been able to take care of this land. So what they did is they set up a slave trade where the Europeans, and they sometimes it's called the triangle slave trade, and they set up a system where boats would come into the western parts of Africa and then over to the Americas. And they would set up this trade system here. And slaves would end up going from Africa into the Americas, and then they would take goods from the Americas back into Europe, and they would do this over and over and over again. So what I want you to do, and obviously the age of exploration connects with this, read about it, please. Take a look at this boat. I mean, look at how many individuals would be on this boat. Every single piece of space used up. That's unbelievable. Take a look at where this trade was occurring, and then answer these questions, okay? And then you're going to stop there. So that's your work for today. Just a reading, some images, find out that connection between the age of exploration, colonization, and the slave trade. If you have any questions, let us know. Email us. We will definitely try to answer any questions you have.